guys, today I am going to show you supine groin stretch in deep hip flexion. The purpose of this exercise is to stretch the hip flexor. This is a pretty aggressive exercise. It's challenging. You're going to want to stay here for about 5 to 10 minutes. You have one foot on an object with your hip in deep flexion, and you're going to have your other foot flat on the floor with your foot propped up with a heavy object on the side so that the foot does not flop over to the side. You're going to have your arms on the floor with your palms up. Now, if you've been following these videos for the last few days, I've been showing you some different variations of supine groin stretch. So if you haven't already, I want you to go back, watch the videos on the different versions of supine groin that I've been showing you so that you can have a little bit more background about this exercise and what it does. The difference between doing this in deep hip flexion versus having your leg flopped over a block or a chair is that this is more aggressive. This is more aggressive. It's more demanding. It's more challenging. So in this position, my right hip is having to work to stabilize my body, and my left hip is getting a greater stretch. So I am one of those people that has more of an excessive curve in my lower back. So for me, this is a great version of this exercise because with my leg here in deep hip flexion, it really helps to push my low back flat against the floor, which feels great. And it's really aggressive at getting into that hip flexor muscle, which for me, with my pelvis being tilted forward anteriorly most of the time, this is a really great way for me to start to counteract that anterior pelvic tilt. So you do want to relax your upper body and make sure that you hold your hip, knee, and ankle in a straight line. After 5 to 10 minutes, once your lower back naturally settles flat to the floor, you're going to want to switch sides and repeat.